This is Gopal. So this is the continuation of last video, video number 6. So in this video we have to discuss some of the problems based on first shifting property. So what is the first shifting property? If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of e power at f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. So this is called first shifting property. So first observe the given problem. The problem is like that: Laplace transform of e power 2t of cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t. Means this is in the form of first shifting property. Listen to it. This is first shift in the form of first shifting property. So this is completely, this is f of t and this is e power at. In order to solve this problem, so first we have to find out Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t here? Cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t. Yes. Now since Laplace transform of cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t, by the linearity property, it can be written as Laplace transform of cos 4t plus 3 into Laplace transform of sin 4t. How to find out Laplace transform of cos 4t? Yes, since Laplace transform of cos 8t equal to s by s square plus a square. So therefore, Laplace transform of cos 4t equal to s by s square plus 4 square plus 3 into, this is in the form of Laplace transform of sin 80. Laplace transform of sin 80 equal to a by s square plus a square. By this formula, Laplace transform of sin 4t equal to 4 by s square plus 4 square. Here we use these two formulas for finding Laplace transform of cos 4t and Laplace transform of sin 4t. So therefore, this is equal to s by s square plus 4 square means 16 plus 3 4s are 12 by s square plus 16. So this is called f bar of s. Laplace transform of cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t equal to s by s square plus 16 plus 12 by s square by 16. This is called f bar of s. So now we have to find out Laplace transform of the given problem. So therefore, Laplace transform of e power 2t cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t equal to, what is the first shifting property? If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s, already we find Laplace transform of f of t, this is called f of t. So finally we get f bar of s means this is f bar of s, we say that this is equation 1. Then Laplace transform of e power at f of t means Laplace transform of e power 2t f of t equal to f bar of s minus a, means in this equation 1, the right hand side, this s is replaced by s minus a. What is a here? A equal to this one, e power 2t. What is a? A equal to 2. So therefore, in this equation, yes, s is replaced by s minus a. What is a? A equal to 2. This 2. So therefore, s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 16 plus And in the second term, 12 by, again this s is replaced by s minus a. What is a? A equal to 2, s minus 2 whole square plus 16. So after simplification, this is becomes s square minus 4s plus 4 plus 16 plus 12 by s square minus 4s plus 4 plus 16. So this is the form of s minus a whole square. This is equal to s minus 2 by s square minus 4s plus 20 plus 12 by s square minus 4s plus 20. Here LCM equal to s square minus 4s plus 20. Then we add the numerators, s minus 2 plus 12. So this is equal to s plus 10 by s square minus 4s plus 20. So this is Laplace transform of e power 2t of cos 4t plus 3 sin 4t. So this is the process of finding this kind of problems. First observe, now simple thing, first observe the given problem is based on the which property. So the given problem is in the form of first shifting property. So therefore we have to find out Laplace transform of the given problem by the find the Laplace transform of the given problem by the take the help of first shifting property. We shall discuss next problem. Yeah, this is next problem. Find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. First, if any problem is given, first we observe. So which property we can apply here? So this is in the form of first shifting property. Laplace transform of e power at into f of t. So we know that what is the first shifting property. If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of e power at f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. So in order to find Laplace transform of the given problem, first we have to find out Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t here? This is f of t and this is e power at. First we have to find out Laplace transform of f of t. Yes, Laplace transform of f of t. Yes, we know that what is f of t. So that's why we written here Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t? 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t. By the linearity property, so it can be written as 2 into Laplace transform of cos phi t minus 3 into Laplace transform of sin phi t. Now we have to find out Laplace transform of cos phi t. Yes, we know that Laplace transform of cos at. What is Laplace transform of cos at? S by s square plus a square. By using this formula, we have to find out Laplace transform of cos phi t. S by s square plus phi square. Why? Because here a equal to phi. So minus 3 and this is in the form of Laplace transform of sin 80. Yes, we know that Laplace transform of sin 80 and this is equal to a by s square plus a square. So therefore Laplace transform of sin phi t becomes phi, means a by s square plus a square. What is a here? A equal to phi. So that's why this is phi by s square plus phi square. So finally this is 2s by s square plus 25. 3 5s are 15, s square plus 25. So this is called f bar of s. So in first shifting property, we have to find out Laplace transform of f of t, that is called f bar of s. Yes, this is called f bar of s. So then we have to find out Laplace transform of e power minus 3t 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t by using first shifting property. Says Laplace transform of e power at f of t. Yes, we have to written what is e power at and what is f of t. Yes, we written here. So Laplace transform of e power at f of t means in this equation 1, this is called f bar of s. In this f bar of s, this s is replaced by s minus a. F bar of s minus of minus a. Why? Because what is a here? A equal to minus 3. So therefore f bar of s plus 3 means, so in equation 1 this s is replaced by s plus 3. So that's why this equation is becomes in this form 2 into s. So therefore this s is replaced by s plus 3 by s square. So this s is replaced by s plus 3 square plus 25 minus 15 by, again this s is replaced by s plus 3 whole square plus 25. So therefore 2s plus 6 by, now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So that's why we written this is s square plus 6s plus 9 plus 25 minus 15 by s square plus 6s plus 9 by 25. So after simplification, this is becomes 2s minus 9 by s square plus 6s plus 34. So this is the process of finding Laplace transform of e power at f of t type problems. Now we shall discuss one more problem. Find the Laplace transform of e power 3t sin 3t cos 2t. So here again we apply first shifting property. What is the first shifting property? Yes, already we written this is first shifting property. So in order to find Laplace transform of the given problem, first we identify what is f of t and what is e power at. This is f of t. F of t here, the multiplication of two trigonometric functions. We know that how to find Laplace transform of multiplication of two trigonometric function. Already we done some of the problems. Yes, this is Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t here? Sin 3t cos 2t. Laplace transform of sin 3t cos 2t. So here we apply sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This is equal to 2 times of sin a cos b. So means this is in the form of sin a cos b. This is sin a cos b. So therefore this is equal to, this 2 shift is into this side. So therefore this is becomes sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So 1 by 2 sin, what is a here? 3t and b equal to 2t. So therefore this is becomes 1 by 2 sin a plus b 3t plus 2t plus sin a minus b sin 3t minus 2t. So by the linearity property it can be written as 1 by, we shift 1 by 2 outside the operator. Then we apply Laplace transform into each and every sine function. So therefore Laplace transform of 3t plus 2t sin phi t, Laplace transform of sin phi t plus Laplace transform of sin t, 3t minus 2t equal to sin t. So therefore now we have to find out Laplace transform of sin phi t. So what is the formula here? Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. We use this formula. So therefore Laplace transform of sin phi t equal to, here a equal to, in this sine function a equal to phi. So that's why here we done phi by s square plus phi square. So then the second Laplace transform. Now Laplace transform of sin t means what is a here? A equal to 1. So therefore 1 by s square plus 1 square. So this is called f bar of s. So this is f bar of s. Now we have to find out Laplace transform of the given function. Laplace transform of the given function is in the form of Laplace transform of e power at f of t, means is in the form of first shifting property. So already we know that Laplace transform of f of t, that is called f bar of s. According to first shifting property, so here this f bar of s is replaced by f bar of s minus a. What is a here? 3. So therefore, in this equation 1, we called this is equation 1. In equation 1, this s is replaced by s minus 3. Okay, so therefore, this equation 1 becomes 1 by 2, 5 by, this s is replaced by s minus 3. S minus 3 whole square plus 25. 5 square means 25. And the second term 1 by s minus 3 whole square plus 1. So after the simplification, this becomes this form. So therefore, this is the process of finding Laplace transform of the given function. So if the given functions are in the form of first shifting property. So we will write some of the assignment problems. We observe all the assignment problems. This problem is very important in exam point of view. So these are the assignment problems based on the previous problems. Yes, now we have to try to solve these problems. So this is Laplace transform of e power 2t, 3 sin 4t minus 4 cos t. And the second one, Laplace transform of e power minus 2t cos 5t cos 2t. And this is third one, and this is fourth one. And solve these problems by using the previous problem, by observe the previous problems and solve these problems. These are helpful to examination.